No yard? No problem. You don't need acres of land to grow profits. Sometimes, all it takes is a balcony, a patio, or even a sunny windowsill. Today I'm showing you the top 7 small space crops that deliver big returns. These are compact, productive, and marketable plants that thrive where space is tight but ambition is big. Welcome back to Greens to Go, the channel where we make every square foot count. Yesterday, we talked about passive income plants, the set it and forget it crops. Today, we're talking efficiency. If your space is limited, these are the crops that give you the most bang for your buck, whether you're growing on a balcony, in a small backyard, or even indoors with containers. First, lettuce and salad greens. They're like the vending machines of gardening, quick turnover, constant demand. Life cycle, annual. Best zones, USDA zones 2 to 11 with succession planting. Best time to plant, early spring and fall, thrives in cool temps. Direct sow or not, direct sow is best. Sun, shade, full sun but tolerates partial shade in hot climates. Pruning, harvest outer leaves for continuous growth. Fertilizer, light feeder. Compost tea every 2 weeks. Overwintering, cold frames or indoor grow lights. Companion plants, carrots, radishes, onions. Avoid planting next to cabbage and broccoli competition. Health benefits, high in vitamins A, C, K, and antioxidants. Profit tip, salad mixes in clamshell containers sell for 5 to 7 each. Continuous cut and come again harvest equals steady sales. Second, cherry tomatoes, the snackable gold mine. Life cycle, annual. Best zones, USDA zones 3 to 10 as warm season annuals. Best time to plant, after last frost. Direct sow or not. Start indoors, transplant, sun, shade, full Sunday pruning. Pinch suckers for airflow and better yields. Fertilizer, heavy feeder, use tomato-specific fertilizer. Overwintering, can grow indoors under lights in winter. Companion plants, basil, marigolds, avoid planting next to. Potatoes, fennel. Health benefits, lycopene-rich, antioxidant, heart health. Profit tip, pint baskets sell for 4 to 6. Customers love colorful mixes of red, yellow, and orange varieties. Third, strawberries, the poster child of patio profits. Life cycle, perennial in zones 4 to 9, often grown as annual in hot zones. Best zones, 4 to 9 ever-bearing and day-neutral are best for small spaces. Best time to plant, early spring. Direct sow or not, use bareroot crowns or plugs. Sun, shade, full Sunday. Pruning, remove runners to boost fruit production. Fertilizer, balance fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. Overwintering, mulch heavily, grow in hanging baskets indoors for winter. Companion plants, spinach, borage. Avoid planting next to brassicas. Health benefits, high in vitamin C, antioxidant supports heart health. Profit tip, fresh pines sell 5 to 8. Hanging baskets of strawberries can be sold as living decor for 20 plus. Fourth, peppers, small plants, high value crops. Life cycle, annual perennial in zones 9 to 11. Best zones, USDA zones 4 to 10. Best time to plant, after last frost. Direct sow or not, start indoors, transplant. Sun, shade, full Sunday, pruning. Pinch first flowers to encourage stronger plants. Fertilizer, high in phosphorus and potassium. Overwintering, in warm zones cut back and bring indoors. Companion plants, basil, onions, carrots. Avoid planting next to beans, brassicas. Health benefits, vitamin C powerhouse. Boosts immunity, metabolism. Profit tip, specialty hot peppers like habaneros sell at 5 per pound. Mini sweet peppers fetch premium prices at markets. Fifth, microgreens, the literal definition of big profit in small space. Life cycle, harvested in 10-14 days. Best zones, all zones indoor trays. Best time to plant, year-round indoors. Direct so or not, always direct so densely. Sunshade, grow lights or bright windows. Pruning, harvest entire tray at soil level. Fertilizer, coconut coir or compost base, no heavy feeding. Overwintering, not needed continuous cycle crop. Companion plants, grown alone in trays. Avoid planting next to NA. Health benefits, nutrient dense, packed with vitamins, enzymes, antioxidants. Profit tip, a 25 tray can yield 150 plus in microgreen sales to chefs and markets. Sixth, culinary herbs like basil, parsley, and chives, compact and profitable. Life cycle, annuals, basil, parsley, or perennials, chives. Best zones, 3 to 10 depending on species. Best time to plant, spring, indoors or outdoors. Direct sow or not. Many herbs prefer starting indoors. Sun, shade, most need 6+ hours of Sunday pruning. Regular harvesting extends life. Fertilizer, light feeders, compost tea monthly. Overwintering, bring pots indoors or grow on windowsills. Companion plants, tomatoes, peppers. Avoid planting next to fennel. Health benefits, each has unique perks. Basil equals anti-inflammatory. Parsley equals detox. Chives equals immunity boost. Profit tip, sell in small pots for 8 to 15 or as fresh bundles, 3 to 5. 7. Dwarf fruit trees, the patio powerhouses. Life cycle, perennial. Best zones, depends on fruit. Citrus equals zones 9 to 11. Apples, pears equals zones 4 to 8. Best time to plant, spring or fall. Direct sow or not, buy grafted trees from nursery. Sun, shade, full Sunday pruning. Annual pruning for shape and productivity. Fertilizer, balanced tree fertilizer in spring. Overwintering, container trees can be rolled indoors. Companion plants, herbs, strawberries at base. Avoid planting next to. Grass competes for nutrients. Health benefits, fruits equals antioxidants, vitamins, steady harvest. Profit tip, container grown dwarf citrus or fig trees sell for 30 to 60 each plus fresh fruit sales. So there you have it, the top 7 small space crops that deliver big profits. Whether you're growing lettuce in trays, strawberries in baskets, or dwarf fruit trees on a patio, you can turn even the tiniest space into a steady side income. Which of these crops would you grow first in your small space garden? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, because tomorrow's video is DIY raised beds that pay for themselves. You'll learn how to build beds that literally pay back your investment in the first season. Until then, keep planting, keep profiting, and keep turning your greens into gold.